To install the driver, you can go to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. Now, once you go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card over here. Make sure that you select your graphic card. Select your series over here. You can check it in device manager. Make a right click, go to device manager, and you can expand display adapter and you can check your graphic card driver. So for me it's 3050. So select your graphic card over here, select your operating system, and then click on find. Now on this page you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, and here you can see the version 610.47. So to install it, you can, this is GeForce Game Ready driver. Now click on view and then click on download and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and then click on yes to allow and then click on OK, and then once done, click on agree and continue. Select custom option over here. Now over here by default Express would be selected. Select custom and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then click on next and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, you have to restart your computer and then you can check. So this is how you can install the driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.